Right, are we recording?
Yeah.
Come on in, Casey. So welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because when we hit 500 subscribers, Billy and I are going to get a KCC tattoo. So go ahead and subscribe so we can make bad life choices. Anyway. Welcome to the channel, Casey. This is Casey. She owns this here Datsun that I've had for what feels like a few years. It's 99% finished. Casey's getting ready to take it home. There's a few little finishing touches to do, just a few odd wee things that need to be finalised before we can send it home, but yeah, it's pretty much done. We spent the last day or two just cruising around in it, took it for a drive up to Christchurch, which is an hour up the road, over to Littleton and New Brighton, and had some fun. And yeah, what did you think, Casey?
I love it.
Good fun.
Awesome to drive.
Cool.
So much more fun. And it's fast. So it's good fun.
Yeah, definitely.
Very fun.
It made good power. So that's what we're here for. So this is the Dyno sheet. Yeah, so it made about 300 to 296 horsepower at the fly, which equals 250 horsepower at the wheels. Yeah, so we weighed the car. It weighs 950 kgs full of fuel, and 300 horsepower is pretty good power to weight ratio, so it's pretty fun to drive.
It's good fun.
It is good fun, yeah. We installed a high boost and low boost switch, so we just cruise around on low boost, and when you want to party, click in party mode and it parties.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Do you want to pop the hood?
You want to pop the hood? Yeah, right. There it is. One final look at the Datsun engine bay. How's the light? Looks a bit dark.
It's not really.
Okay. You want to tell us a bit about the car, like how long you've had it and how you ended up buying it?
I've had it 7 years now. Yeah, brought it from a guy in Central Otago, Cromwell. I had him up and I said, because I went for a drive in it and I was like, oh yeah, this is cool. And I went home and then I seen he listed it for sale and I was like, oh, should I just buy it? Like I really...
You quite liked it?
I liked it. I didn't get to drive it, like I was just passenger, but yeah, I enjoyed it. So I was like, oh, maybe I should
Sweet.
hit him up, go back and go for a drive and see how it feels on that side of things. So I really enjoyed it. So I went home and I hit my boss and I was like, hey, can I just have every hour possible, because I want to buy a car.
Get a few extra hours?
Yeah, pretty much.
Is he the one that put the C8 in the car? So he bought it with the swap already done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it was somewhere Timaru or Dunedin
That put the C8 in the car? Sure.
Yeah, whoever owned it then did it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Yeah, from there it's sort of just been driven in, not much looking after, I guess, so I'd put it...
Just deteriorated a little bit?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely cool. Just a drive it till it breaks sort of theory.
I see.
Yeah.
Did it break? Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely...
Yeah.
Many different things over the years, but not anymore.
Yeah, she's been revived.
Yeah.
It'll do another 10 years now.
Yeah.
Cool.
Surely gotta do 10 years.
Yeah. Sweet.
I don't know why I liked it, I just...
Well, it's a cool old car.
Yeah.
I mean, old Datsuns are just really cool little Japanese cars, and a later model fuel injected turbo engine's a great idea in another car. So yeah, that's why it's a cool car, I guess.
Like I was never even looking to buy a car anyway. Like I had a car.
Okay.
I just, I don't know, I just
decided to buy it.
Yeah. I was like,
Cool.
no, I'll drive that, eh?
Yeah.
So
Good
yeah,
stuff.
went and brought it, and 7 years later, I'm
Alright.
not going to get rid of it.
Fair enough. You might as well keep it now. You spent that much money on it.
Yeah, it's good. Real
Cool.
good.
Well, this is probably a good opportunity for me to thank Casey for letting me work on her car like I have. Casey's been the best customer any mechanic could ever ask for. She's been super patient, because I have spent more time on this than I initially said I would, and it's also cost a lot more money than I initially estimated it would. And yeah, any mechanic out there who's ever dealt with customers knows that they can be very tedious to deal with, but Casey was very patient, and any time I raised a new issue with her about the car, she was cooperative and said, yep, just full send. We might as well throw that in the bin and replace it, which is pretty much why this snowballed into a big job like it did. But yeah, so yeah, thanks again, Casey.
Thank you.
You can have your car back in about a week or two.
Perfect. Never stop driving it.
Yeah.
Drive it everywhere.
Cool. Now enjoy some cool rolling shots we got yesterday of this on the Christchurch Highway. Subscribe. Tattoos. It's not going anywhere, man. It's going to Invercargill.
It's looking good, eh?
Thanks, mate.
Really nice.
Yeah, pretty happy with it.
People gonna be happy to see this car again, eh?
A lot of people have been asking about it.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
Be patient.
Nothing beats a good cold rev on a rebuilt motor. You filming?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, one last final touch. Make it all official before the car goes. What do you want it, Casey?
Yeah.
There? Okay.
Yeah. Looks good to me.
Alright, you have to fast forward this bit. Nice and straight. Boom. That's not going anywhere. Kiwi Car Culture, baby. Like, comment, subscribe. 500 subscribers, we're getting shitty tattoos.